Mango. Mango is the king of fruits. Fruit of the Mangifera indica. It is native to the region at the foot of the Himalayas, in northwestern India. Almost all languages have incorporated into their vocabulary a derivation of the Tamil, Southeast Indian language, mangkay, which the Portuguese transformed into manga and the English into mango. However, in Bangladesh and India, it is known by AAM. Mango properties. The mango stands out for the set of nutrients and antioxidant substances found in its composition. Vitamins C and A. A single 200 grams piece provides the recommended daily amount of vitamin C, about 60 milligrams, and 60% of vitamin A, in the form of beta-carotene. Mango is one of the most important sources of this nutrient. Vitamin E. Although vitamin E, one of the most effective antioxidants and heart protectors, is usually found mainly in fatty foods, mango has an extraordinary amount in the case of fruit. Provides magnesium and potassium. Regarding its mineral content, the proportions of magnesium and potassium stand out. In both cases, a mango provides 10% of daily needs. In addition to nutrients, mango provides other substances with beneficial effects on health. The tartaric and malic acids help counteract the effect of metabolic waste acidic. Benefits of mango. The peculiar composition of the mango prevents degenerative diseases, especially heart disorders, cancer and diabetes. 1. Protects the skin and mucosa. Due to its beta-carotene content, it is useful to protect the skin, mucosa, eyes and heart against the action of free radicals. 2. Keeps bones and muscles in shape. The combination of magnesium and potassium makes the mango suitable for keeping the musculoskeletal system in good shape. It prevents osteoporosis from muscle cramps. Also, these minerals participate in the control of blood pressure, favor the elimination of liquids and the proper functioning of the kidneys. 3. Stimulate the defense's antioxidant vitamins and minerals, along with phenolic compounds, help the immune system prevent and fight disease. 4. Effects of fiber. It also has provided a significant dose of fiber, which helps prevent certain types of cancer, such as digestive cancer, prevents constipation and lowers bad cholesterol, which protects the heart and circulatory system. 5. It favors the combinations of nutrients. It also has enzymes with properties similar to those of papains in papayas or bromelain in pineapples. These enzymes promote the combinations of macronutrients and partly responsible for the fact that mango is so easy to digest. So much so that it is said to soften and purify the stomach and intestines. That is why it is recommended to all people who suffer from digestive problems. So mango is amazing fruit. Tell us, do you like mango? Did you already know a lot of benefits? Are you enjoying the video? Then give it thumbs up and share with your friends and also subscribe to my channel.